Pixel 6a is landing very soon. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Google is planning to unveil Pixel 6a very soon, and even we get a big leak regarding the Pixel 6a, and also this budget B specification is also out and confirmed. Google Pixel 6a will be released a lot before it was expected. A trusted rumor is suggesting that Google is coming to launch Pixel 6a in its Google I/O event, and that event is going to happen on 11th of May 2022, but for now, this date is not confirmed. And also there's another big leak that we can see from an unverified source, and because of this leaks, we are expecting Pixel 6 earlier. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Google Pixel 6a or iPhone SE 3, which one you are going to buy this year. Google Pixel 6a box was revealed by unverified source, and if this box is real, then we can expect Pixel 6a next month, and Google may ship the Pixel 6a earlier than before, because some news are pointing towards July shipment date due to ongoing chip shortage. Google Pixel 6a on the box looks exactly like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Camera bump is also the same with the same color. The Google Pixel 6a will comes with the 6.2 inches Amoled display, and one of the most important thing that Google is putting Google Tensor chip in Pixel 6a, just like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, which is great. Since Pixel 6 is a budget series smartphone and Google is giving you the best experience with a budget smartphone, comes with 6 gigs or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage and an under-glass fingerprint scanner. Google Pixel 6a will comes with the dual lens on the back, powering 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Don't look at the number, Google has its machine learning in it, which makes Pixel phone always stand out in mobile photography. Comes with a decent 4800 mAh battery and 30 watt of fast charger. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Google Pixel 6a or iPhone SE 3. Which one you are going to buy this year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.